Hello and welcome back. This week's focus is gold. Gold is having a rough time, breaking below a key level this week. And if you're wondering whether this is just a dip or something more serious, let's break it down. On the monthly chart, gold spent years consolidating. Then in 2024, we can see it breaking out hard, running all the way to an all-time high of $5,598. What you're seeing now is a sharp pullback, currently sitting around $4,190. In the context of the entire move, though, this correction still looks normal. We need to zoom in and things get more interesting. Now on the daily chart, price formed a triangle after the February peak and it's now broken below the floor of that structure. More importantly, this is the first time since October 2023 that gold has closed below both its 100 and 200-day moving averages. That's a real momentum shift after a multi-year uptrend. Now on the hour chart, gold is locked in a sustained descending channel and currently testing the lower boundary. If we do get a bounce from here, $4,300 is the first local resistance to watch. But the more serious test for bulls is $4,400. A retest of that level would tell us a lot about whether this is a genuine recovery or just a relief rally. And the fundamental backdrop this week is making things more interesting. We have US CPI coming out today, with May inflation expected to jump to 4.2%, the highest since 2023, driven heavily by energy costs tied to the Iran conflict. Then PPI follows tomorrow. Both prints feed directly into Fed expectations, and right now markets are pricing out rate cuts entirely for 2026. A hawkish Fed and rising real yields is a tough environment for gold to stage a meaningful recovery. With equity market volatility also picking up into the end of the week, don't be surprised if that creates some additional choppy moves in precious metals too. The monthly chart says the bigger trend is intact, but until gold can reclaim $4,400 and hold it, the bears are firmly in control. And on the downside, $4,100 is the next level to watch, with $4,000 the big psychological floor below that.